This study has several lateral sagittal views of the elbow in a patient with trauma, and right away you notice that there's a fat pad sign. You can see that there's an elbow joint effusion because you can see elevation of both the anterior and posterior fat pads. So that indicates that most likely you're going to see a fracture there. So you have to look very carefully, because especially on just plain films and images of the elbow, it can be very subtle, these fractures, especially of the radial head. And if you look very carefully and you look at the arrow on the last image, the arrowhead, you can see that there's a very subtle fracture of the radial head. So when you're looking at elbows and images of the elbows, you want to make sure that you're looking for the fat pads, because that will give you a high index of suspicion that there is an associated fracture. And even if you don't see the fracture on the x-rays, you want to go do a CT scan in that case.